Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. Glad you joined me here. I'm playing with my leftover paints and a reused canvas. I have no idea how big this is. 14 by 20 maybe. It's a gallery wrap canvas and I've already put down my base coat. I had some leftover paints and I had a lot of black. I had a lot of this pretty color and I had a lot of this pretty color, so I went ahead and kind of layered them down. I poured the black first and then I tilted it this way and then back, and then I added the gold and I tilted it right to left, added the black, tilted right to left, and then added this copper right to left and the rest of the black, and then I tilted this way and that way until I got it nice and even and smooth. Let's talk about our colors. I already put all the bottles away, but I'm going to tell you what they are. This is Master's Touch Black, and it is a new fluid paint, or at least new to me. I am having a hard time finding my Artist Loft black in the Flow acrylic, so I figured I would give that baby a shot. This right here is a combination of DecoArt Metallics Gold, and I added a few squirts of the iridescent bronze in there just to make it a little bit less brassy, I guess. This color is really pretty, and I'm sorry my cups are a mess because these are all left over from a pour I did earlier today. This is DecoArt Metallics Copper, and I added a few squirts of the Golden Burnt Sienna to this, which made it less brassy because those DecoArt Metallics can be very, very bossy in our paints. This guy right here is the last, oh be still my heart, this is the last of the Rust-Oleum Metallics Champagne. Very nice paint that you can get at Lowe's if you're lucky. This color right here is a combination of the Rust-Oleum Champagne, and I added a little bit of DecoArt Rich Expresso to it. And oh, this guy right here, this guy is fun. My artist friend Julie Vatcher from Julie Vatcher's Art introduced this to me. This is Sargent Liquid Metals, and this is the, oh, I think it's the copper or the copper gold. I'll post a picture of all the paints, guys, at the end of the video so that you have access to them. They're also in the description box, guys. That's the little arrow down here in this corner. You push that button, it tells you everything I'm doing, what I'm using, what music I'm listening to, and how to get a hold of me if you ever have a question I can help you with. So what am I gonna do? I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna layer some paints in these cups, and I think I'm gonna put it on this canvas, and I think I'm gonna move it around, and I think I might even swipe a section or two of it. So we're just playing. I like the easy breeziness of using leftover paints. It's kind of like, you know, you're not obligated to do anything. You just kind of do what you want. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get busy, guys.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. in my hand used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms and keep on falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the night, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you. I'm standing